This is my result on the first month, second month, and the fifth month. I have been exploring the rainbow skin tone effect and have attached a video about it on top. How do you like it? Today we are doing a hair tutorial by sketching, coloring, and adding details with one color only. Let's get started. First, find a random point on top of the head as a starting point. Then start drawing lines of hair down from that point. For me, this looks like a water fountain and you can take it as a reference. Just draw enough hair to cover her bald head. Start drawing the first braid by sketching two paralleled curved lines. They look like B&A logo or the number 8 letter to me. Then I'm drawing a line between each section to show the ribbon between the braids. I'll talk more about this later. Draw the Y letter in each section. Extend the braided lines until you reach the desired length. Keep in mind the overall shape and direction of the braid. You can make the braid thicker or thinner depending on your preference. Then I'm choosing the color of the ribbon and I'm filling in the rectangle between the sections. Then the ribbon on the end of the braid. I'm doing the same for the other braid. Now let's color the hair. We'll only use one color. First, I'm going to apply a light wash of color over the hair. We want the color to cover the hair nicely. After that, we let the color dry so it stays on the paper. Then I'm using a thinner brush to draw black lines for the hair. I'll draw them in the same direction to show how the hair flows. It's important to make the hair look thick and textured by adding more lines. Now let's focus on the braids. I'll draw the lines in the same direction as the braid goes. It's like connecting the dots. If you like this video, please give me a like, comment what you want to watch next, and subscribe for more.
Be a star tonight. You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun sets.